Exercise 4.3, question number 1, C. A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. So, we have to take 3 to the right hand side. So, A by 5 equal to 2 minus 3. A by 5 equal to 2 minus 3 will become minus 1. Multiplying both the sides by 5. A multiplied by 5 divided by 5 equal to minus 1 into 5. So, A equal to minus 5. D. Q by 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Q by 4 equal to 5 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 5 will become minus 2. So, Q by 4 equal to minus 2. Multiplying both the sides by 4, Q into 4 divided by 4 equal to minus 2 multiplied by 4. So, Q equal to minus 8. E. 5 by 2 x equal to minus 10. Multiplying both the sides by 2. So, 5 into 2 divided by 2x equal to minus 10 into 2. 5x equal to minus 20. Dividing both the sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 equal to minus 20 divided by 5. 5 by 5 will become 1. So, x equal to minus 4. F. 5 by 2 x equal to 25 by 4. So, multiplying both the sides by 2. So, 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2x equal to 25 multiplied by 2 by 4. So, 5 multiplied by 2, 10 by 2 it will become 5x, and 25 into 2 by 4, 4 and 2 will be simplified. So, I am left with 2 in the denominator. So, 5x equal to 25 by 2. Now, dividing both the sides by 5, 5x by 5 equal to 25 by 2 into 5. So, 25 and 5 will be simplified. So, it will become 5. So, x equal to 5 by 2. Now, G. 7m plus 19 by 2 equal to 13. 19 by 2 is a fraction and 7m is a whole number. So, 7m equal to 13 minus 9 by 2. Now, we have to take LCM. So, LCM when you are taking it, 2 will be the LCM. So, 13 multiplied by 2 will become 26. So, 26 minus 19 divided by 2. The left hand side you will have 7m. So, 7m equal to 26 minus 19 will become 7. 7 by 2. Now, dividing both the sides by 7, as we have to remove the number and we are left with only the variable. So, 7m divided by 7 equal to 7 by 2 into 7. So, 7 and 7 will be simplified. So, m equal to 1 by 2. Now, h. 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. 6z equal to minus 2 minus 10. So, 6z equal to minus and minus will become plus. So, minus 2 minus 10 will become minus 12. So, dividing both the sides by 6, 6z by 6 equal to minus 12 by 6. So, z equal to minus 2. I. 3l by 2 equal to 2 by 3. Multiplying both the sides by 2, 3l into 2 divided by 2. On the right hand side, 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. 2 and 2 get it simplified in the left hand side. So, 3l equal to 2 2s are 4 by 3. Now, multiplying both the sides by 1 by 3. So, 1 by 3 it will become 3l into 1 by 3 equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 get simplified. So, we are left with l in the left hand side. On the right hand side, 4 1s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So, l equal to 4 by 9. Now, j. 2b by 3 minus 5 equal to 3. So, 2b by 3. So, 5 has to be taken to the right hand side. So, 2b by 3 equal to minus it will become plus. So, 3 plus 5 will become 8. Multiplying both the sides by 3, 2b multiplied by 3 divided by 3 and 8 multiplied by 3. 3 and 3 get simplified in the left hand side. So, 2b equal to 24. Dividing both the sides by 2, 2 and 2 will get simplified. So, b equal to 24 by 2, so b equal to 12. Question number 2, solve the following equation. A. 2 multiplied by x plus 4 equal to 12. So, here there are two ways you can multiply. 1, 2 multiplied by x plus 4, that is 2 into x, 2x plus 4 2s are 8, then equal to 12, that you can do. Otherwise, 2 we can take it in the left hand side, 2 you can take to the right hand side, that will become divide. So, dividing both the side by 2. So, 2 and 2 get simplified in your left hand side. On the right hand side it will be 12 by 2 will become 6. So, x plus 4 equal to 6. Now, x equal to 6 minus 4. So, x equal to 2. Now B, 3 multiplied by n minus 5 equal to 21. So dividing both the sides by 3, 3 and 3 will get simplified in the left hand side. So n by 5 equal to 7. So n equal to 7, 5 will be going to the right hand side. So minus 5 will become plus 5. So n equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. C, 3 multiplied by n minus 5 equal to minus 21. So as you are having 3 in the left hand side, so both the sides you have to divide it by 3. So dividing both the sides by 3, 3 multiplied by n minus 5 divided by 3 equal to minus 21 by 3. 3 and 3 get simplified, so you are left with n minus 5 in the left hand side. On the right hand side, minus 21 by 3 will become minus 7. So n equal to minus 7, and minus 7 in the left hand side will go to the right hand side. It will become plus. So minus 7 plus 5 equal to minus 2. So the value of n equal to minus 2. D, minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus x equal to 8. As you are having minus 4, so you have to divide both the sides by minus 4. So minus 4 into 2 plus x divided by minus 4 equal to 8 divided by minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4 get simplified. So you are left with 2 plus x equal to 8 divided by minus 4 will become minus 2. So now x equal to minus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 will go on the other side. It will become minus 2. So x equal to minus 4. E, 4 multiplied by 2 minus x equal to 8. So dividing both the sides by 4, 2 minus x multiplied by 4 and divided by 4 equal to 8 by 4. So 4 and 4 get simplified. 2 minus x equal to 8 by 4 is 2. So minus x equal to 2 minus 2. Minus x, 2 minus 2 is 0. So x equal to 0. Now question number 3. Solve the following equation. 4 equal to 5 multiplied by p minus 2. So I kept the left unknown number in the left hand side. So I changed the order. 5 into p minus 2 equal to 4. In equal sign, both the sides are equal. So I kept 5 into p minus 2 equal to 4. Dividing both the sides by 5, as we are having in the left hand side 5. So 5 multiplied by p minus 2 divided by 5 equal to 4 by 5. 5 and 5 get simplified. You are left with p minus 2 equal to 4 by 5. You are getting the fraction on the right hand side. So p equal to 4 by 2, 4 by 5 plus 2. Now we have to take LCM. LCM is 5. So 4 plus 5 2s are 10. So 4 plus 10 divided by 5. So p equal to 14 by 5. Now B, minus 4 equal to p 5 multiplied by p minus 2. So 5 multiplied by p minus 2 equal to minus 4. Dividing both the sides by 5. 5. Question number B, minus 4 equal to 5 multiplied by p minus 2. So 5 multiplied by p minus 2 equal to minus 4. Dividing both the sides by 5. So 5 multiplied by p minus 2 divided by 5. 5 and 5 get simplified in the left hand side. Minus 4 by 5. Now p minus 2 equal to minus 4 by 5. Now it is a fraction on your right hand side. So p equal to minus 4 by 5 plus 2. So p equal to, we have to take LCM on the right hand side. 5 will be a LCM. So you have to make equal denominator. So minus 4 plus 5 2s are 10. So minus 4 plus 10 divided by 5. Minus 4 plus 10 it will become 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 by 5. So p equal to 6 by 5. Now C, 16 equal to 4 plus 3 multiplied by t plus 2. So 4 plus 3 multiplied by t plus 2 equal to 16. Now 3 into t plus 2 equal to 4 we have taken to the right hand side. So 16 minus 4. So 3 multiplied by t plus 2 equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. Dividing both the sides by 3. So 3 multiplied by t plus 2 divided by 3. 3 and 3 get simplified. You are left with 3t plus 2. On the right hand side 12 by 3 that is equal to 4. So t equal to 4 minus 2. So t equal to 2. D, 4 plus 5 multiplied by p minus 1 equal to 34. So 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4. So 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34 minus 4 equal to 10. dividing both the sides by 5. So 5 into p minus 1 divided by 5 equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 and 5 get simplified and we are left with p minus 1. 30 divided by 5, in 5 table 30 is 6 times. So p minus 1 equal to 6. P equal to 6, and from the left hand side minus 1 it will go on the right hand side, it will become plus. So p equal to 6 plus 1. So p equal to 7.